This is Freddie. Thanks for connecting to my channel. The purpose of this video is just to do a short, quick refresh of a space in my home. This is a bedroom. It has a king-size bed, a dresser, a chest, and 2 nightstands. Nothing real fancy about this room. However, all I'm going to do is just take some items that I already have in my home, freshen up the space for the spring, and make it more comfortable. This particular wall color is from Sherwin-Williams. The color is African gray. I absolutely love it and adore it. I'm going to use that color as the source of the design and pull in or accent with some gray colors as well in the bedding and in the home decor. I'm just simply showing you the space as it appears before I start, and then we'll get started with the work. And now that all of the work has been completed, let's just take a look to see how the final product turned out. This is the entry. At the door of the room, you can see I've included just a few home decor items. Nothing too fancy. Again, the purpose of this remodel was simply to refresh the space. The lamps, they came from Kirkland's. Didn't need anything too over the top for a traditional style room. Notice I've used just a simple small collage of pillows on the bed. I'll show you another angle of the bed in a few minutes. This lamp has a silver or pewter base. I'm picking up the accent color of the African gray paint from the walls. And here's another look at the collage of pillows that I just mentioned. These home decor items were used in a previous video. Again, when you select your home decor items, the ideal is to pick items that will allow you to use them in multiple locations within your home. That's critical. It saves money, and it also just allows you to make best use of the product. This clock came from Kirkland's. I loved it. It had that rustic charm look, and it also included the natural wood and the gray tones. Here's another look at some of the home decor items that I've used in previous videos as well. Just trying to give you an idea of how you can just do a simple, quick refresh. The floral and scrolled pattern of the comforter helped me add a little character to the space. To include the gray color in the spread helped me pick up or accent the wall. I'm a big fan of putting some type of chest at the foot of the bed. I've done that here and added a simple gray throw to continue the color palette of the gray. This is just a chest that's situated in the room with some small home decor items as well. I've chosen one wall art piece. Again, this room was decorated for a minimalist in mind. And so now I'm just going to use the camera and sweep the room once more so you can see one final time what this refresh looks like. Again, this is just a simple refresh of space using items I already had in my home to make this particular space clean and inviting. Again, I'm Freddie. This is Freddie King's Home Decor. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification button so that you will know when future videos have been posted.